Today I'm going to be fixing this broken mounting tab here where it's cracked but not completely separated on this GLK Halogen Headlight here. So here I'm going to get my JB Weld Plastic Bonder and I'm going to put just a little bit of glue here on the underside of this crack to help hold this in place, and put it here on the other side. Clean up a little bit there. Now I'm just going to take the plastic welding iron here and I'm going to go around and remelt around the edge here along the seam to rebond the plastic together. So on the underside that glue is going to dry and really help reinforce this weld. Alright. So I'm just going to slightly go over this around the edge, putting as much pressure as I can to put it back to its original spot. So we want to make sure that we melt this plastic thoroughly, but not all the way through. Just need to get along this back edge here. Just take your time with this, and it shouldn't take but 4 or 5 minutes to weld this seam back together when you have a crack like this. Alright, just about there. Alright, that is ready to go, and just let it cool down. Let me bring the camera in just a little bit closer here. Let's see. There you go. So you can see we're going around the edge here and welded the 3 sides that were broken. Let's see. All right. So we're just going to let this cool down, let the glue dry, and we can already see that, I mean, this is strong. So give this, you know, a good 10-12 hours for that glue to dry, and this will be ready to be installed. So thank you for watching.